Welcome to Born Cottage. Every day I upload free house designs on my subscribers' demand. So the beautiful tiny house you are watching on the screen. In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details. So keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. The total area I have taken is the width is 20 feet in meter 6 meter and the length is 16 feet 4 inches in meter 5 meter. So in the front we have sliding door here. After that we'll go inside. So we have living plus kitchen area in the front. You can see here the sofa arrangement, tea table arrangement and also TV unit on the front wall. And if we go inside, so we have kitchen area come dining area. You can see here the kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement. Also we have dining counter with 2 chairs and 2 large size windows for ventilation and light purpose of this area. If we go on the right side of the house, so we have bedroom here. You can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement and 3 large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this room. After that we will go inside. So on the right side we have common use washroom plus water closet. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.